Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by using the Google account that administers your Blogger site. Make sure you're signed in. Once done, confirm the blog is public with at least one published page so Google can crawl it. Now open Google Search Console and create a new URL prefix property for your blog's root URL. Copy the verification token that Search Console provides. This is the first actionable step, because the token lets you prove ownership quickly and link the two services. Next, you'll verify ownership inside Blogger. This is where the token becomes useful. Go to Blogger's settings and find Search Preferences or Site Verification. If a meta tag field is available, paste the token into the header section. Alternatively, choose the Blogger verification option in Search Console for a one-click link. Make sure you select the same blog. Save your changes, then switch back to Search Console and click Verify. This step proves control and allows Google to start collecting performance data for your blog. Finally, submit your sitemap in Search Console. Use your blog's feed or /sitemap XML so Google can discover posts faster. Once submitted, use URL inspection to request indexing for priority pages and watch the coverage and performance reports to see clicks and impressions over time. If verification or indexing fails, make sure the Google account matches, the blog is public, and you didn't accidentally add duplicate or conflicting meta tags. That one troubleshooting tip usually resolves most connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.